Hi! In front of me is TCL for DSE, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and select Security and Biometrics. Following that, tap on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. When you're ready, you need to read their disclaimer over here, click on the back button and choose Start. Then remember to keep your face in frame and wait for the 100% mark. Now you need to select Done over here, click on OK. And over here, adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to. Then click on Home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all you need to do is swipe up to open my smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!